Hi, my dear students. Many students were asking me that what is the last date for converting from old syllabus to new syllabus, and I was telling them that ICI has not released the cutoff date yet. So you please convert now, and you will be eligible to write your new syllabus in the coming examination. That is May or June examination. You are eligible to write if you convert now. Like that, I was telling. Now officially, ICI has announced the last date for conversion from old syllabus to new syllabus. As you all know, from 2017 onwards, ICI has released new syllabus for intermediate as well as for CA final. So old syllabus IPCC was supposed to have ended in the last year, that is 2020 itself, and new syllabus also it is supposed to have ended in last year 2020 itself, but due to corona they have extended till May 21. So this May 21 is the last attempt for old syllabus students. So students who are yet to prepare comfortably in the subject, we always say them to convert themselves into new syllabus. So 5th April is the last date for converting yourself from the old syllabus to new syllabus to write your examination in this May or June 21 exam itself. So if you convert before 5th April, you are eligible to write in the new syllabus. This is the ICI's update. Today, they have released this update in the website. So hope this information will be useful to you. And my suggestion is always, if you are not thorough in the subjects which you are preparing, but now only you are going to open your books and start studying, I will always suggest you to go for new syllabus. And some clarification from old syllabus to new syllabus. For example, if you have completed group 1 of intermediate in the old syllabus, if you are going to write group 2 and converting yourself into group 2 new syllabus, then you have to write only 3 examination and not 4. So this FM economics is exempted for you, so you have to write only advanced accounts, auditing and EASSM. So this many people asked me, I am just clarifying you. So because see, it is not necessary that you should have got exemption in the costing in the group 1. Once you completed group 1, group 2 FM economics is exempted for you. So as when I always suggest, like, people who are writing group 2 intermediate now in this examination, I will suggest you to convert into new syllabus and approach for the examination. And likewise, CA final also, group 2 CA final new syllabus, you have one subject which is an elective subject, which is an open book examination. So obviously the number of hours which you are going to spend for that will be considerably less. Most of the students whom I talk, when they have taken this elective paper of economic law, which I was taking classes, they hardly spend 35 to 40 hours in that subject, and they are scoring more than 60 marks in the subject. And mostly many times the same question from my question bank only used to come. So open book, when you see the same question which you have in your question bank, then when it comes, it is always a happy thing. So this is regarding this update. So hope that this information is useful to you. Click like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And since this video is in English, many students, it will be helpful for them. Thank you so much.